Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. Today my topic is 3-point rectangle tool. In this video we will learn that how we can use 3-point rectangle tool in CorelDraw. So let's see how it's work. Go over here, click on it and then select the 3-point rectangle tool. So first of all, 3-point rectangle tool is created. First click, then second click and drag it like that, and third click. So 3-point rectangle was created like this. And we can also create rectangle with rectangle tool. What is the difference between rectangle tool and 3-point rectangle tool? The difference between the rectangle tool and the 3-point rectangle tool is that after making rectangle with the rectangle tool, we can change the angle and so on, like this. But in 3-point rectangle tool, we can directly rotate it. For example, like first click, then second click and drag it like that. So in the 3-point rectangle tool, we can directly rotate it like this, and the property bar are same of the rectangle tool and 3-point rectangle tool. So in that way we can create rectangles. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.